Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tuna Chahan. Tuna is canned tuna, Chahan is fried rice. It's very easy and quick to make. So this is something that I cook when my children are starving, but I don't have enough time to make complicated dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this chahan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 servings. Cooked Japanese rice, it's about 2 rice bowls, some salt and pepper, green pepper or scallion, 2 canned tuna, 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. About the rice, it's better to use leftover rice, not freshly cooked rice. Freshly cooked rice is too good and too moist to make fried rice. So this is the rice I cooked yesterday and kept in the fridge overnight. I microwaved it to lukewarm so that it's easy to break down into pieces when I fry it. I'm going to slice a green onion first. Cut the bottom off. Cut them in half, put them together and then slice. Let's put it in a small bowl and put it aside. Then canned tuna. You just want to drain any excess liquid so the fried rice doesn't get too moist or mushy. So just open the can and drain. Let's press it down a little bit to remove the liquid completely. 2 eggs in this large bowl. Beat the eggs. Add lukewarm rice. And mix it well so the rice is coated with the egg. Okay, all the ingredients are ready, so it's time to fry. Heat up frying pan over high heat and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let's add the rice and egg mixture. And fry them until egg is cooked. Put some salt and pepper to taste. Tuna. Green onion in. And keep frying until everything is well incorporated. Now I'm adding soy sauce, and I want to burn it a little bit to create toasty flavor. So make a hole in the middle of the frying pan so you can see the bottom, and into the hole you add the soy sauce. Then mix all together. Looks good, so let's turn the heat off. Serve it in the bowl. And Tuna Chahan is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can use spoon to eat it. No chopstick skill required. いただきます。Every single rice is coated with the egg and it's absolutely delicious. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Tuna Chahan is rice, so it goes here. Vegetable miso soup or any soup you like here. Tuna Chahan contains a lot of protein, so I will pass the main dish. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickle, so let's have off-the-shelf kimchi here. For the other side dish, how about tofu with Japanese salsa? It will add nice color to the whole meal. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Bye!